revenge on the R1M or what?
Your bike, bro?
Yeah, man. Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video on the H2. This video is going to be interesting. I know you guys like me taking my bike to meets and all, and I went by Ducati Newport Beach earlier today in my car. I just wanted to check out like some of the bikes. I was in the area. Apparently they were hosting a Ducati bike meet at their dealership today. It started at 6:30. We're running late, but it's okay. I think the meet is going on for like a couple hours. So I'm gonna be taking my H2 to a Ducati meet, which I think is kind of funny. Taking an H2, a Japanese bike, to an Italian Ducati bike meet. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some other bikes over there too. It's not gonna be all Ducatis, I'm sure. But I'm pretty sure it's mainly gonna be Ducatis. It was very last minute, so none of my riding buddies could have made it. I know you guys like the group rides a little bit more, but I'm riding solo today on the beast. Yeah, it should be really fun. I'm pretty sure there's going to be traffic because every time I ride the H2 there's always traffic for some reason. I'm trying to do some reverse psychology. See? It kind of worked. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more traffic further ahead though. Like actually. That's a pretty nice blacked out Porsche Carrera. Weather. Don't poop on me, birds. How unlucky would that be? Whoa, there's a lot of people. There's all kind of bikes. Nice. Typical BMWs. Hey. Look who it is.
What's up, man?
What's up? I'm good.
How you feeling, man?
I can ride again, so. Huh?
You're still riding like that?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It's too hot. I can't deal with this. Yeah, it's not bad right now, but usually.
Yeah.
You're the smarter one. Let's just say that.
How's the bike treating you?
Not bad. Yeah. Ducati, not so well. You never saw that one, right? The one I crashed?
I wanted to. 'Cause it was
Yeah. It was nice.
Yeah, dude. So what happened?
Took an exit. I was tinted visor, all that stuff. I couldn't see, and the exit had a dip. So while I was braking and getting ready for the lean, the back just literally came on and just threw me off. That's you, right? The aero exhaust, I remember.
Dude, I've thrown so much.
Oh, I feel you. I feel you.
Triple trees.
Hopefully by the end of the year I'll get another V4.
Yeah, it's a sweet bike.
Hopefully. I want to walk around, see all these bikes.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna take off before I get started.
Yeah, I just wanted to stop by. I was here earlier and he told me about this, so I was like, screw it, I'll come by.
Cool, man. It was good
Yeah,
to see you.
yeah, nice seeing you too, bro. Well, let me know if you go to that track.
What's that?
The track in November, let me know if you end up going there.
All right, cool. Do you know what day it was in November?
No idea, to be honest. No
Is that
idea.
Auto Club?
Yeah,
That would be faster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, I think if you just like Google it, Auto Club in November, you'll see it right there.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Good to see
All right, it's nice seeing you too, man. Wait, since you're leaving, start it up.
Oh, yeah.
I've never heard it with exhaust.
Really?
I've never rode with you ever since you've done everything. We raced the R1M and all that, and ever since then, I don't think we've been on a ride.
That's true. That's true. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
You need revenge on the R1M or what?
But I'm still doing that. It's my weight, man.
Yeah. Yeah, you're making way more now, though. Nice. All right.
You're IM3, right?
Yeah, man.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Nice. I appreciate it, man.
Are you gonna get another V4?
Hopefully, I was telling you by the end of the year.
End of the year?
Yeah, that's the plan.
What are you trying to get?
Just a V4S, same one I crashed.
Yeah, I got a standard V4 right now.
Yeah. I was talking to him, I was thinking about a standard V4, but he's saying the Olins actually make a lot of difference.
Oh, right.
So I was like, might as well get the S then at that point.
They just turn off the electronic suspension if you don't need it.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
That's cool.
So I'll probably do an S.
Doing that.
Yeah.
You mentioned on your channel you can do a group ride or something.
Yeah, I'm still debating when and all of that.
Yeah.
But I'll definitely do a group ride somewhere around here at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, do it.
Alright.
Yeah. I started a YouTube channel because of you.
That's good, man. Just keep it going. I did it for fun and now it's doing good, so.
Your channel blew up, man.
Yeah, apparently people like taking the bike to meet, so that's what I did right now.
Hey, give me a plug, dude.
I got you, man.
Yeah. Let's go do a ride, though.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I ride like all the time, so
Alright, cool. Let's do it.
I'll definitely post something soon.
Alright.
Nice meeting you, bro. Savage. Alright, I guess I'm done too. A forged carbon.
Thursday? I got the cheapest flight.
Sweet. That's a lot of V2s. I did not expect that. That was fun. Alright, time for me to go.
Is that your bike, bro?
Yeah, man.
Bro, what do you think?
I love it. I've had it for too long, so I'm kind of used to it.
Yeah.
But
What do you want to sell?
I'm not selling it. Never.
What's too long?
For like almost 2 years, something like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, but when I first got it,
He's obsessed with your bike. Yeah. The H2, bro. Like he's been loving it.
I used to be the same thing, man. And now sometimes I forget, but it's a fast bike. It's a lot of bike, that's for sure. Yeah, it's not for everyone. Not the best daily, but it's definitely fun for the weekends.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, bro. So it's fucking just insanely torquey all the time, 24/7.
Yeah, there's power just everywhere. Yeah, first gear is like too aggressive. I can never get used to it. Like if I stop riding it for a week, I get back and I'm like,
Yeah, you're throwing.
yeah, it's just like too sensitive. You'll feel how sensitive it is if you give it a little rev if you want.
Oh yeah.
Alright, man.
Be safe, bro.
We'll try, man. Nice meeting you guys. Later, man.
Now you really gotta go get one, kid.
Huh? That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, support, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Probably gonna film a night ride back now. Just a cruise on the H2.